Hello friend, my name is Rakesh Gupta and this is my 10th video in HTML series. In the previous video we show you some basic use of HTML class and HTML ID, that how it should be implemented in the HTML web page. So if you are watching first time in this series of video, please watch the previous video of this series so that it could be easy to understand. So today we discuss in the following topics. So today topics is form, HTML form. So basically, what is form? Basically, HTML form is used to collect user input from the different type of input element which are provided in the HTML page. HTML form are used to collect user input from the different type of element. In a form, we have used different type of elements such like a radio or input या checkbox. Many types of elements are used in the form element. So whenever we perform an action on the form attribute, that is when we submit the form, the all data should collected and saved that data in the database. Basically, HTML form are used to collect user data from the different type of input element which are provided in HTML page. All data are projected in the HTML page which are provided by the user. So form tag are used to create the form. Basically, form tag is used to create the form element. The input element. Basically, in the form we use input element for input the value of the data or input the element. The HTML input element is the most used for the form element. In the form we use multiple input element in the form for inputting the data on the form. So types of some type of input element is that input type text. Here in input and types of input such like here text, radio, checkbox, submit and button. Here all have different operation on them in the input type. Basically, tags are used to display a single line text in the input field. In a text we display a single line text on the input field. On the radio, display a radio button for selecting one of the many choices. In a radio button, we have many options and we have to choose one of them. Okay. On the checkbox, displaying checkbox for selecting 0 or more than many choices. Basically, checkbox are used to selecting the requirement or many other things in the form in which we have multiple options for selecting the choices. Now submit button. Display a submit button for submitting the form. In the HTML form, we have submit button for submitting the HTML form data. Now button tag. In a form tab, we use button in the input tab, in which a clickable button in which an action is performed on that button press. Now HTML form attributes. The action attributes. Basically, the action attribute define the action of the action to be performed when the form is submitted. Basically, when we submit the form, some action should be performed on that page. So whenever user want to after filling the form and submitted, the user should either move to same page or redirect to another tab. There are many options on the action attributes, such like here blank, self, parent and top. Here blank action, the response is display on the new window on tab. When we submit the form, the response of that the window should be redirected to new window or tab on the web search. Self, it responds to display on the current window. It basically display on the after submitting the form, the web page should be still in the current directory or on the same window. A parent, the response is its response is displayed in the parent frame. Basically, parent attribute is performed when we display when we submit the form. It should be response or display in the parent frame. Or in the top attribute, the response is displayed in the full body of the window. Basically, top is used to display the output or response of that submit form. It display on the full body of the window. In a form, when we use action attribute, we also use method to pass the data. Basically, in a HTML form, the method performed on them are the method attribute specify the HTTP method to be used when submitting the form. Basically, when we submit the form, the data value in which the form is data value in which in the form is presented, we have to either a method should be get or a post. In the get method, it should be visible in the URL tag, or in the post, it should be not visible. In simple word, basically, in a get method, the form data should be displayed in the URL tag, but in the URL, if we are using some sensitive data, we could not use get method because the data should be displayed on the URL. So on this situation, we use post method on them, so that the my data should be in the safe, or the data should be not displayed on the URL. So now, some basic element of HTML form is that such like here input, then label, and then select, fit text area, buttons, field set, legends, or data list. Here input are I already discussed that input is a input type is in which we use multiple such like I am in above we discussed in input, we use radio button or text or submit button, yeah, button. Many use of input tab. In label, it is in label tag define a label for a many form element. It is very it is very useful for a single line displaying the content. The select and then select are used for selecting the multiple or a drop down list. Drop down list, we could select in a drop down in a search or in a drop down list. We could select one of them. Text area is a wide area or a box in the HTML form in which we should write some message or anything on them. Buttons are used for action performed on clicking or any event on them. Field set, field set are used in the HTML form for grouping the data in a form wise, or legends are used to caption the field set data, and data list is used for listing the predefined option from the input control. Now we take all of them in example form. So here I have opened my editor. Then here simply in a body tag we use form. Then now we use here in the form we use field set. Then we use legends. Here in the legends I use login, and then I will take a label. Here I am giving first label. Here we use label, and here input tab should be text. I have already discussed. Name should be we use BR tag for breaking the line and keep a new line. Now I am taking another, that is last name. Input tab text, name should be LName. Here we use BR tag. Then I am using here radio for radio option. So here I am taking label radio, name should be gender, label name, input type radio, gender, then label. Now save this file and check which we have performed two operation, that is radio or input tab. Here the my page. So firstly replace this page. Here logging we use a caption, that is in which legends are used, and field set is a group of all the elements in a group wise. Here input tab, display, and radio button. Here if we want to choose one of them, the box will be select one of them. Now take another then I use selection for selecting the object. So first of all here I am selecting class, a semester. Then I will take selecting the object, select option, and here name should be semester and option. Here in the select we use selecting the multiple option from the list, and one of them we choose from that list. So here select tag are used for list, choosing one item from the list. So here firstly we define select the name of the name of which we use in the selection. So here semester should be detail, and now option in the list. So in the option we use MC, then option should be tag, no closing. Then here I use tag. Now after selecting we use checkbox. So input tab, checkbox, name should be I am selecting books, and value should be book. Now in label 1, here in label I have then again we use input tab, checkbox, name should be book, and value should be copy. Here label and copy. Now lastly input tab, submit button, submit, name should be submit, and value of that button should be login. Now save this file and refresh this page. We have all used that are in a form. We have taken some example of the form. We do not use all the things in the form, but I want to give some information about the form, so I will take some tab elements of the form. So here I will taking legends, field, set, input tab, radio button, drop down list, that is selecting, the checkbox, submit button. So here I am giving here ABC. And I am taking BC or everything, and if I log in, the value over here F10 I am giving in the input tab, name of that input tab should be F10. So here F10 should be ABC, L name should be BCA, and gender all semester BCA, or book should be book. Now if we want to perform method in the form, we use post and save this form, and after refreshing this page, now I am taking some now I am logging, submitting the button. Here the value should be not displayed in the URL tab. So basically post tag are used in the any login or registration form, so that the value of that form should not display on the URL tab. So the data should be secure. Now we use target attributes in the form. So we use target. I am selecting blank. Now save this file, and here it should redirect to a new tab or new window. But after we use self tab, self target, it should be in run on the same page, not redirect to another page. Here, if we fill the form and login, it should redirect to same web page. Now, if you want to design my web page, so firstly here, if you want to change, I do not want to, here login should be image that elegant. So here I use login .jpg. Here I already saved the image, and now I save and refresh the page. Here the size of the icon should be large, very large. Now I adjust, so I use CSS. Simply width should be, take 120 pixel, and height should be also 120 pixel of that image. And now I want to check up, I want to keep body color, so background color should be, I'm taking red, so attractive looking. And now I also want to change the fill set color, so I am using style. Background color should be, I am taking a pink. Now save this file and check the output, refresh this page. Here, this is basic. I am not designing in the current video. In the next video, I will design a new form in a systematic order. So any queries or this video, please comment me, and please like, please share, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.